C-A-R-N-Y. Carney.
Do you like the carny lifestyle?
Some people say carny scum.
Cotton candy is where it's at.
One game for 2, 3 for 5. How about you, Carolina Blue? Come on, guys.
Fire, give me a juicy one. I knew it. He makes me look good.
Pay for those, Daddy. Pay for those games. We're all the way up top.
Well, who's it gonna be next to Duck Main round the clown? Hey, now don't be talking about my mama. I could have been your daddy, boy. Hey, honey, that's a real pretty blue dress you got on. Was that included with your Malibu Barbie?
Hey, it's too good.
I'm back. Hey, Daisy Duke called and she wants her shorts back.
I'm Poochie. I'm Poochie Love. I've been a showman for basically all my life. The games that I used to work were games that were called traps. Games that you couldn't win unless I want you to win. But they're outlawed now.
I don't know how a person thinks that comes to a carnival. I've always been at the carnival. I was born into this, so this is it. My family owned some carnival rides, and then my brothers, Ronnie and Donnie, the Siamese twins, Ronnie and Donnie were on exhibition. There's a new generation of carnival people who have forgotten about, the freak shows, if you would.
My name's Rebecca and I'm 21. I joined up at the fair in the middle of July. I wanted to get away from everyone and everything. I figured I'd be able to think out here. Where I'm from, I don't know. It's a lot of drugs, a lot of drug addicts, and a lot of retired people. There's nothing there. The Claw is a good ride. Spider, the Wave Swinger, that's my favorite ride. You're just, I don't know, it's like you're floating. Yeah, you have a lot of time to think.
When I was younger, I got into a lot of trouble with the law because I was on my own. Did a lot of time for it. When I first came out here, I was just like a lot of these young guys. I picked up over 100 girls in less than 6 months out here and did whatever, wherever actually out here.
In my town, if you're at all different, it's bad. If you have goals that are different than anyone else's, or you want something bigger or better for yourself, or you want a haircut that's different than anyone else, it's extremely hard. But here, I never feel like the strangest one. I want everyone to think that I'm happy. And it's hard to be at a carnival or be at a fair where everyone's supposed to be happy and upbeat and be sad. It almost makes you more sad that everyone's happy and you're not.